Hey guys, this is TNN and today we are going to be repairing a paint chip that's on my car. And I'm going to show you through how to repair a paint chip that can be on your car as well, and it can be easily done with this CHIPEX paint kit over here, which is a really good professional paint chip repair system. So CHIPEX have gone ahead and sent this kit to us, so thank you very much for that. We're going to go ahead and have a look at it and give an honest review of it as well. We're going to go ahead and show you guys how to do a paint chip as well. So here is the CHIPEX paint kit. Have a looking at it, looks pretty good. The box looks really nice, got nice pictures on there as well. You got step 1, which is the painting, step 2, which is the blending, and step 3, which is the polishing. So it looks like 3 easy steps. Really good. So if you're interested in purchasing this paint chip kit, I'll put I'll put in the description down below the link to buy. And yeah, let's go ahead and let's see what's inside of this kit. So first you get a microfiber cloth and a pair of gloves, which is really nice. You then also get a little pack of these touch-up paint sticks, the blending cloth and a blending block. You got your step 1, which is a mixture of paint and lacquer. So this is your actual paint. In my case it is the Tesla PMNG paint, which is the metallic grey. You get the step 2, which is the blending solution. You get the step 3, which is the final step, and it's the polish. And they also gave us some ultra high performance aquaphobic screen wash, which sounds really nice and fancy. So we're going to go ahead and put this in our screen wash as well. Right, so that's everything. So I think let's go ahead and start the paint repair. So I'll go through my car and show you the steps on how to repair the paint. Yeah, we're outdoors today because the weather was really nice, so I thought why not, let's film it outside. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's start the repair process. So here is the paint chip that's on my car. You can see my car is absolutely filthy. You can even see my hand streaks there. But that is the chip that we are going to be fixing today. So hopefully that will be disappearing after the repair. But what you need to do is step 1, you need to clean the car, or at least the area or panel that you're going to be working on. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean this panel up here. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and let's clean the area with some less wash that I've got. Try and clean up as much of this panel as we can. Sorry for any background noise, there's a lot of cars driving by. We're going to give that a clean, and then we're going to use the blending solution, and we're going to clean the actual area with some blending solution as well. So I'm going to add some of the blending solution on here as well, just a tiny bit. I'm just going to clean over that area as well, just to make sure there's no dust and dirt build up caught inside the damaged area. Right, and we'll leave that to dry, and then we'll go on to step 1, which is the actual paint. Right, so let's get started with step 1, paint chip. Give that a nice little shake and make sure it's shaken well. That's right, so after we have shaken the paint well, we're just going to get a little dab on it, on here, not too thick. We're just going to dab it in the affected area and then press it with our finger like so. And we're going to give it a couple of those. Right, so once you've built up a good layer of paint, you can sort of see it there. I've got a nice little blob now. You want to leave it to dry for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to use the blending cloth and the blending block, and we're going to just rub it lightly, not push down too hard, just rub it lightly. Right, so I've got the blending block and the blending cloth and the blending solution. Go ahead and put it on there, and we're going to basically apply like this onto the area. Just moving side to side, don't go pushing down deep, and yeah, let's just see how it goes. So I'm just going to go ahead and work it. Let's see how it goes. Just like that, just like side to side. Right, so you can barely see the repair now, so I did a couple layers on it, unless I point it out to you, which is right there and there. You can barely see it now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the final step, which is step 3, the CHIPEX polish. Apply some polish on it and lightly just polish the area, simple as that. So we apply a dab of the polish here, and we'll just rub it in the affected area and just polish it out really. let's go ahead and do that. Just dab it around. Just push right here. Just lightly, don't go too deep on it. There you go, easy as that really. And what's amazing is you can barely see it. Like, of course with paint chip repairs it will never be 100% gone, but 95% of it will be gone, and it will be unnoticeable unless you point it out or unless you know it's there, like that mark there. So I think it's done a really good job, and the color match is absolutely amazing. It is perfect. That color match is honestly perfect. So the CHIPEX Paint Repair Kit, what do I rate it? The Paint Chip Repair System. I mean, it's their most comprehensive and bespoke stone chip repair system available for cars today, and I strongly agree with that. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 for the price, for the quality of it, for the paint match, for the ease of it. It's absolutely amazing. So go ahead and check out CHIPEX if you do need to do some paint chip repairs on your car. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and look at that, you can't even notice it. So there you go, CHIPEX, check it out, link in the description. And before we go, let's top up our washers. I mean, I can't go over that repair, you can barely notice it, it's right there. You can barely notice it now, before it was so noticeable, it looks so good. Right, let's go ahead and let's top up the washers. Open up the bonnet. Got some water in there. Got to have some water. Got to love a front, to be fair, as well, it's quite useful. Here we go. Some of the front screen wash. I'm only going to put a little bit, I'm actually going to keep it for another time as well. Sweet, and then we'll fill it up with some water. Great, thanks for watching, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.